I'm on Milwaukee's east side, at a pedestrian-friendly strip, looking at a Potbelly restaurant, bars and restaurants, and quick access to the lake from here. And I'm just a short block from Whole Foods. I'm headed 2 doors south for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished corporate apartments at Overlook on Prospect. Overlook has a bright, comfortably furnished mezzanine level lounge with a large screen TV. It overlooks a spacious lobby leading to the elevator bank. I'm on the balcony of apartment 208, a one-bedroom with a separate office, looking out on Prospect, looking east. Just stepped into an open-plan living dining kitchen with high ceilings and plank flooring. Dining room table has a view out on Prospect. Large flat panel TV. It's an angled kitchen with a French door refrigerator, quartz counters, built-in microwave and dishwasher, 4-burner electric range. It's a deep, wide undermount stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, a great selection of countertop appliances and all the cookware, dishware, glassware, and cutlery you need to feel comfortable staying a while. It's a pantry cabinet opposite the kitchen, and right to your right as you would have entered the apartment, separate laundry room with your utilities. Turning toward the office is Berber-style carpeting, floor-to-ceiling windows looking out over the balcony. You have a bath with a wide vanity, quartz countertop, and a walk-in shower with a body spray attachment. Office is opposite the bedroom. Then you have great floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades, chest of drawers, and a second TV. Overlook on Prospect has a fun east side location, and Sweet Home has offerings that will make you feel at home. It's a sweet deal.